How to fix connection refused, no further information in Minecraft. The first thing to check is if the server itself is running. A connection refused error can mean the server is simply offline and not accepting any connections. You can check the server's status on its website, Discord server, or by asking a friend who also plays on it. If the server is down, you will have to wait for it to come back online. Even a single typo in IP address or port number will cause a connection failure. Double-check the server's exact IP address and port that you are trying to connect to. Make sure there are no extra spaces or incorrect characters. It is often best to copy and paste the IP directly if possible. The Minecraft game client runs on Java, so you must ensure your firewall is not blocking the Java executable. On your computer, go to the Windows search bar and type Windows Defender Firewall. Select it from the search results to open the firewall settings. Click on Allow an app or feature through Windows Defender Firewall. A new window will appear showing a list of all applications and services on your computer. Click the Change Settings button in the top right corner to allow you to make changes. Scroll down the list and enable all that affects Java or the Minecraft. For each of these entries, make sure the box under private and public columns are checked. This allows Minecraft and Java to communicate on both your home and public networks. Once you have checked the boxes for both, click OK to save the changes. After completing these steps, restart Minecraft and try to connect to the server again. The firewall should now allow the connection and you will now be able to join the game.